Hello and good afternoon, everybody. This is Travis at Canyon Auto and Classics, and I am going to present to you this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Exterior in orange with the black racing stripes down the hood. This thing looks sharp. It has a 440 cubic inch engine under the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. The paint job on this car is fantastic. We'll get up close here in a second, but I want to take you just around the outside and let you have a look. And you can see our pictures as well. But look at that. The lines on this car, the gaps, laser straight. This restoration was done right. You can see you've got all the Roadrunner badges, and yes, this is a true Roadrunner. It is an RM VIN code. You've got a set of Magnum 500 wheels with BF Goodrich Radial T tires. You've got the air induction hood. The interior is also very nice. You can look along here on the door jambs, and there's no rust or bubbles anywhere. I don't know the exact period of restoration this was done in. I can get that, or try to get that information from Adam when he gets back. He's out there finding some more cars for us to list for you guys. You can see you've got the classic Roadrunner steering wheel with the beep beep horn. 51,000 miles. I do not know if those are original or not, but again, we can find out those details and I'll try to get those listed for you. But you can see that this is got a very nice interior. You've got Roadrunner floor mats in both the front and back. You've got a little wear and tear there, but this is an original interior here. The headliner is intact. Really just a little rippling on the back column there, but other than that, obviously you can see the dome light works. You've got your visors. What else do I need to tell you about this car? Well, great looking set of wheels. These are brand new or nearly brand new. The tires have full tread on them. And again, as we go around, you know, maybe there's a few tiny, if you get really close here, there's a few maybe tiny imperfections in the paint. It's always fun to see the Roadrunner decals and badges on these cars. And these LED lights are pretty good at showing most things, and you can see as we go along here. Right here. The chrome and bright work is very good. There is, you know, you can see a little bit of pitting here on that. And if you've watched any of our videos, you know that is one thing I learned from Adam right away. We try to show everything so you know exactly what you're getting. But we're talking here about an iconic sought-after American muscle car, Plymouth Roadrunner, 51,000 miles, 440 under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission. The dash here is actually in very good condition. You've got the Hurst 4-speed white ball shifter there. You can see the carpet's in excellent condition as well. go take a look under the hood. We've got the, like I mentioned, the air induction hood, an air grabber, you know, it's always my favorite part when you forget how to open these hoods when you're trying to make a video. Here we go. Here. So I'm going to take a step back so you can see this. So you can see you have functional air induction air grabber hood on this. You've got the Coyote Duster Air Cleaner. You've got a set of chrome valve covers on there, Mopar Performance valve covers. You have an MSD Distributor right there, an MSD Ignition. There's your beep beep horn. And you can tell that when this restoration was done, attention to detail was important. You know, they spent the time to paint the firewalls, paint the fender wells, put the spark plug holders in place. All those little things matter. And it tells you a lot about who did this and that they did it the right way. Let's get in and start it up. I parked this in here last night, so hopefully I don't have a fail and not start it up right for you or something like that. But it started up every time I've started this vehicle. Oh yeah. See that? Flick of the key. That's how it's been every time for me. And it sounds great. See? Sun Pro tachometer. That works. I know the lights work because I drove it in here last night after dark. We'll go up here and show that. You saw the dome lights work. Check the blinkers here. Blinker there work. Blinker there work. All right, so shut this baby off here. So 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 under the hood, along with a 4-speed manual transmission. I have driven this car and I can tell you, as you saw, it starts up, it runs great, it shifts great. I've had zero problems with it. The paint on it is excellent. Like the lines, look at these, look at the door gaps. I mean, they did this right. This car is a car that is meant to be driven and enjoyed, and at the price we're going to be asking for it, it is something that is easy to get into and still could show up at a car show, at your local car show, and turn a whole bunch of heads. Plus, this is just a fun car to drive. So if there's anything I glossed over or skipped, I apologize. I'm still a little new at this and not quite as well versed as Adam on these cars, but we are happy to add any info, any pics, an extra walk around video, whatever you need. And thank you for watching our videos. We are at Kenyon Auto and Classics in Clarence, Iowa, kenyonauto.com. Our phone number is 563-452-2450. Give us a call. Come check us out. We have over 100 classic cars and trucks here at our facility, and we thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next ones we have to show you, and have a good afternoon.